Hi traders, good morning. Forex Nelson is back doing another trade. Today's date is January the 17th. Checking out the meter and following my pip trigger rules. I took the pound New Zealand, right where this arrow is here, right on this candle, that's where I took it. Did a bit of a pullback but never did hit my 20 pip stop. Now I wanted to break this top and eventually break this top. Don't know for sure if it'll do it, but it should do it. As I checked the higher time frames and I saw some clearance to give me at least my 10, 20 or 30 pips. Don't know for sure, but all you can do is take the trade with the highest probability and then go with it, and then you just have to manage the trade. Trade management, money management, and don't forget your proper mindset. Those three things are critically important for you to succeed in trading the Forex market. So all we can do is just sit back and wait, and I will report back shortly as the trade moves along. Forex Nelson is back. I decided to take also the pound CAD, as you can see down at the bottom. I just took the trade, let's see, 1 minute ago. Pound CAD, 1 minute ago, and I'm already up over $500. If you follow the rules with the pip trigger and take the trade the way I teach, usually in less than 5 minutes, you get it, you're in the trade and you're making profits. But you have to follow the rules, and it's not that complicated. As I said previously, I wanted the price to break these two highs, which it did. And now I'm waiting for it to break this high. And go to the 15 minutes. So it'll put it closer together so I can monitor it. And look at that, just like magic, it already broke it. Down at the bottom, up over $1,000. Love trading the pip trigger. Many days I'm only trading for less than an hour and my day is done. I could actually close the trade now and call it a great day. But this should go a little bit higher, so let's see if I can grab some more pips. All we can do is just sit and wait and see what's going to happen. Forex Nelson is back. I'm still in the trade. Pound New Zealand did a bit of a pullback here, but I know the way the market moves. Once you understand how the market moves, you don't freak out on pullbacks such as this, which was 20 pips pullback, by the way. And now I want it to break the top, and if it doesn't break the top, as you can see down at the bottom, I'm very happy with that, and I can just close the trade and forget about it and be done trading for the day. And it's only 10 after 9 in the morning. That's what I like about the pip trigger. Market moves every day, same way, doesn't change. You just pick the best one to trade, best 1 or 2 pairs. Sometimes I do 3 pairs. Take the trade and grab your pips. Don't be greedy. 10 or 20 pips is more than enough. See what I'm up at the moment? That's 12. And this is 20. I'll keep a close eye on it, and I may close it pretty soon. I'll just see how it goes. We'll report back shortly. Forex Nelson is back and finally decided to close my trades. As you can see down at the bottom, I took a grand total of 3 trades, the pound CAD, the pound Swiss, and the pound New Zealand, based on my pip trigger rules, checking the higher time frames, checking the meter, and trying to get in at the proper time. It never did hit my 20 pip stop. As you can see on this one right here, it came back but never did hit it. So on the pound New Zealand, I took the trade here, and I ended up with $30 30 pips. Very happy with that. And down at the bottom, as you can see, over $2,000 for the pound New Zealand. Then I took the next one was the pound Swiss. This one did not move quite as well. It went against me like 11 pips, and I closed out with 6 pips. That was $533. And the last one was the pound CAD. I waited for the pullback, got in as this blue candle was going up. Now this is what I would label as pretty close to perfect timing. I was watching it as it's going up, so I decided to take the trade. There's my usual 20 pip stop, and I closed it out with 21 pips, 22 pips. I don't always get it quite this perfect, but the worst place to buy is like right at the top. Do not buy like here or here. Even though this can still go up, but we're also, if it doesn't go any higher, you'll have a 1, 2, 3 pattern. Swing high, swing low, swing high, and this thing can easily go back down to the goal line. So for less than an hour's work, it was about 50 minutes. Turned out pretty good. It's 9:25 in the morning, and basically my day is done. Just talked to some traders now. I've got 3 traders who are interested in the pip trigger. So I'll be keeping myself busy for a few hours talking to 3 different traders. So for a grand total of around 58 pips and for over 4,100. As I said, it's a pretty good day of trading. I only need 1 day a week like that, and I can certainly goof off for the rest of the week. But I get a lot of traders asking me to continue to show trades and throw in a few tips and whatnot. So hopefully you learned a few tips and learned something new. If you want to learn more new stuff, all you got to do is get in touch with me. And talked to a trader for more than an hour yesterday, and I gave him some tips, and that was no charge, and he was very happy for that. He said he learned more in an hour than he learned in the past 2 years. So if you want to speed up your learning curve, get in touch with me, and I'll answer your questions. I make my money trading, and secondly, I like to help traders with a pretty good system and some good training education. So if you look right below this video, you'll see a Word document, like a write-up, like this Word document. People were asking how much is the pip trigger. It's $250. There's over 17 gigabytes of training, and you will get an exact copy, as you see right here, of my MT4 platform. There are 12 versions of my pip trigger because I don't know exactly which one you'll take a fancy to. They all work great for me. I do have my top 3 favorites, but I do make other templates which are just as good. And of course there's a grand total of 342 training videos, and I do throw in 20 bonus videos which will complement your learning of the pip trigger system. Lots of PDF books, lots of Word documents, and for you traders who don't have a lot of money, if you want to be a self-made millionaire, turning $1,000, and in less than a year you can turn that into $1 million, I give step-by-step instructions on how to do it both on the Forex market and in the futures market. If you follow the instructions, all you need is 1 trade a day, and all you need is 10 pips. And I got almost 60 pips today. So if you only need 10 pips, I can, in theory, take the next 6 days off. So that's what I love about trading. You have 1 good day, and you can goof off for the rest of the week if you want. Like yesterday. I took yesterday off because I already had another good day this week, so Just watch the videos and you'll see which days were pretty good. This is my best day so far this week. So if you want some free tips and tricks, call me directly to my cell phone. I do answer. Like a lot of coaches and mentors, they will not answer the phone. They won't talk to you at all, period. And if you live too far, just email me. And if you want to see my screen and get some visual tips and tricks, Skype me. There's my Skype ID. And I will show you more tips and tricks through Skype screen sharing. And by the way, I do that for free. So anyhow, wraps up this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I do have a running special bonus for whoever gets the PIP Trigger full package. And if you want to know what that bonus is, you have to call me or at least get in touch with me. And I do have a bonus which I'm sure you'll be very happy with. Anyhow, until the next trade, good luck with your trading and bye for now.